Hey guys, it's your boy Junior here, bringing another great video to the channel. And this is your first time here, and you like all the types of technology, product reviews, tech reviews, game reviews, live streaming, live gaming, some how-to videos, and even some vlogs, then you come to the right channel, guys, and you don't want to miss out. And if you like all that stuff and more, then you might as well go and hit the subscribe button and enable bell notifications so you get notified every time we drop good videos like this one or whenever we go live. Because trust me, guys, you never ever want to miss out.
Hey guys, are you looking for some awesome and premium service TV? Then you want to come and check out catchontv.com. Once you go here, it'll bring you to this great, nice looking website right here. Look at all the stuff they have to offer. And look at this right here. Take a free trial right here. You get to get a free 3-day trial. Check it out. You got so much information. And look at the layout of this website. This website looks so nice, guys. Gives you all the information you need to go ahead and get started. But wait, there's more. Let's go and check out the app itself. Look at the app right here. Look how nice this app is. Like, look at the layout on this, guys. You don't want to miss out. Look at all this stuff they have available for you guys to check out. So much stuff to check out, guys. Trust me, you're not going to regret it. So come and check them out today.
So today, I'm going to do a product review on a great little product somebody sent me. Akumaka is a company that sent me this little smartwatch right here in this little box for a fraction of the price of a regular smartwatch. My wife has an Apple Watch. You know, those are run like $400 or $500. And then I also have the smartwatch from the Galaxy smartwatch. Forgot which one it is. That one cost me like $250, $300. I don't remember. This right here is a smartwatch that works for both Androids and iPhones. And it looks like the iWatch. It really looks more like the iWatch than anything. And it's a fraction of the price. This little thing right here is only $50. You can make phone calls. You could text people. You could do a bunch of anything you could do on the smartwatch, you could do on this as well. So I think this is a good deal. But let's take a look and see if something that you might be interested in. All right. So as you see, it comes in a little white box. Nothing special about it. It says smartwatch in the front. Put the future of your health on your wrist. Just because they said that stock, I remember it does have a heartbeat like the iWatch does. And I think that Samsung one does too, but I never use mine. My wife uses her heartbeat one. This does the heartbeat and everything, so that's why I remember the iPhone. On the back, gives you the barcode here. This model number is the 209DK. Again, it's from Akumaka. I'll put everything in the description. I'll give you the link down below so you guys can check them out as well. And basically, this one's the color in black, because it tells you my colors right here in black. They sent this out to have you guys see and check out what this is about. And let's see if this is impressive for me. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at it. Because I really never messed with it, but since it's like a smartwatch, it's something that I'll be able to use if I really wanted to. But like I said, I already have the Galaxy watch, so I don't need this. I'll probably give it to somebody. Or maybe do a giveaway to somebody, who knows? We'll see. We'll decide what's going on. All right. So take off the wrapper here. Put the wrapper away in the trash. All right, and when you open this up, it's just like an iPhone that you slide it out. So I'm gonna bring it up close so you guys can see what it looks like. So right now, when you slide it out, this is the band. The band is actually really nice. It reminds me of a Galaxy band, but it's very thin. All right, it's rigid and thin. So I don't know how the stability on it is. All right, so this is the box opening right here. Comes with a little pamphlet here. There's nothing else inside the box. As you can see, it's the other side of me. I put it through on the floor. This right here is a pamphlet. It tells you how to use and everything. If you scan this QR code right here, you can download the manual onto your phone. Very easy. And to activate the warranty, you scan the QR code as well. It gives you a warranty. How the warranty is a 2-year warranty. And if you need to contact customer support, it gives you the email, phone number, and you can talk to them on WhatsApp app as well, right there on the bottom. You can see it right there. So their communication is very well. All right, so we're gonna take a look at it right here. This is the watch right here. It's pretty cool. It looks pretty nice. I'm gonna put it out from the bottom here. So I say it looks like the iPhone. Only reason why, because it has the crown right here like the iPhone does. because you know with the Samsungs you don't have any. You have a button, but you don't have any like a scrolling feature like this one does, like the iPhone, the iWatches do. This has a scrolling feature. So I'm gonna open this up and see what this is about here. All right, let's try and take off this wrapper. I'm trying to figure out how to take it off. All right, it's on this side. I was trying to put it from the wrong side. All right, so there, I got it off. Okay, and this says it's waterproof. How sure that is, I don't know. Okay, so how the band works, the band is actually a magnetic strip. As you see, look, I'm gonna bring it up close so you guys can see. And if I pull it apart, damn, it's pretty tough. You gotta actually pull it up. I guess that's the reason for the ridges. So if I want to close it, I'll just put one down and put this one on top. Look, see? Boop. Well, at least it does come apart, but it takes some force. So if I want to put it on here, my big wrist, it fits me right here. Look at that. It actually feels pretty nice. All right, let's turn it on. Let's see if it turns on like this. Hopefully it's charged. Yeah, it's turning on now. So the front end looks like that, and it is touchscreen. So as you see, got a few settings right here. Let me take it off because it's easier to show the settings when I have it off. So you see right here, the sensor right here, this sensor right here tells you your heartbeat and everything. See how it lights up? That's reading your heartbeat. So in the front, you take the scroll here, you either push the button, it'll take you to the home screen here, and you can scroll up and down. So by clicking again, click on it. I can make a phone call, I can play music off this. I can control everything here. You can do all your settings and everything. Very awesome, guys. So you just gotta mess around with it. I'm not gonna mess around with it too much. This is your daily exercise, just like the iPhone, the iWatch, and the Samsung watch is, the Samsung Gear watch. And this is your sleep schedule. Tells you if you want to do, just like that. All the good smart watches are. This does your blood oxygen. As you see, it lit up in the back when I did it. All right, and this is when you want to connect to the music. You got a bunch of options here, guys, which is a really good option. Okay. Let me go ahead and switch it around so you guys can see what I'm doing back here, because for the light, so you can see that it's actually working. See how it lights up? Because I just went on blood oxygen, so it lit up red. That'll be a heart rate, but didn't do anything. Sleep. All right, let's see if any other colors. Oh, that's music. Well, you see, this is a cool little watch here. Basically, you do it like any other smart watch. Any other smartwatch, any smartwatch that's not iWatch or the Samsung Gear, you go to the Bluetooth, connect it to your Bluetooth, and that's it. You start using it. Very simple. All right, and it's pretty cool. I think it's a pretty cool little device. For the price, it's very good. I think it's a very good deal. So let's take a look at the accessories they have in here. So I don't know if you noticed when before I took out the watch. They came with this little box on the side that right here, all the accessories. You have the manual here. If you need the manual is right here. Everything's all there so you can use it. All right. And I'm gonna open up the accessory box. So I want to see what's inside the accessories. I want to see what type of charger it has. Let's see if it's like a smartwatch charger, like the Samsungs or the iWatch. Okay. So let's say you don't like this band right here, the magnetic one. You want the one that you actually buckle in. It provides you with a different one right here, and it's very simple. It's just like the iWatch. It comes off just like the iWatch. So if you go on here, let me bring it up close so you guys can see. You see the little button right here. Right here's the little button that you just push in, and you pull up, and it comes right off. And then you can go ahead and put the one you want to put on. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this one on real quick. It's gonna be super simple. All right, so this is gonna be the top one. So you basically go ahead and put it on top. Put it on top here, and then you just squeeze it down, and simple like that. And then you find the hole for it, and you can do it. All right, there you go. I found it. It took a while, and boom, that's how easy it is. See, I'm gonna take off the other one real quick. Again, you see the lever right here. I don't know if you can see it right there, that lever right here. You pull it down, and it comes off very easy. You take the new one, put it in, find the hole in the bottom, and then you pull down the lever to open the thing, to lower the stick in, and you look for the little hole inside, and boom. Now I have a bucket for my hand strap. Look at that. I can do it like this. But actually, I like the magnet one better. See, now I can have it with a bucket if I want it. Look how cool is that, guys. All right, so that's it with it. Oh yeah, let me see if there's anything else in here. Okay, so there is something else in here. I believe it's the charger. But it's not it's coming down, but it's taking a long time. Because it was all the way up here. I should have just... All right, so this is taking forever to come down. I should have done it from the other side. All right, here we go. All right. So this is the charging cable right here, which is a USB-A connector, and it has this connection to charger. So it's not like all the other smartwatches that puts it on the back. This one actually, you gotta take off the watch. So right here, you're gonna see the little port right here. I don't know if you can see it from here. Let me bring it up close, maybe you can see it better. You see the two little dots right there? That's connecting port to charge it. So, and this is the connection right here. So basically all you gotta do is put it right here, and that's it. It's magnetized, so it's not gonna move. And then you plug this part right here to the USB port, whatever you wanna do it, the wall plug and anything, boom, that's it. And that's it, that's how you charges it. Very, very, very simple, guys. Very awesome little watch. I think this is a great buy. This would be a great gift giver, a stocking stuffer for when it comes to Christmas time. It's pretty durable. I think it's pretty cool. I mean, I would have to play around with it for a little bit longer, but I just opened it, and so far what I'm seeing is it feels right. It feels nice. If I didn't have a watch already, I would keep this for myself and just use it. But since I already have a watch, I don't need it. I barely even use my watch as it is. I know I'm not gonna wear this at all because I already have my other watch, and I'd rather give it to somebody that's gonna use it or sell it, make a little buck off it, you know. But yeah, guys, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the review on this little watch right here. And if you did, guys, make sure you go down below and hit the like button and show me all the love and support that you guys love to show the channel. Also, don't forget to hit that share button because sharing is caring, and we want to make sure that everybody's aware of everything we do on this channel so they don't miss out, just like you're not missing out. And if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, put them in the comment box down below, and I'll get to you as soon as I can, when I can, as fast as I can. And if you still haven't done so to the end of this video, guys, hit the subscribe button and enable bell notification so you get notified every time we drop great videos like this one or whenever we go live. Because trust me, guys, you never ever want to miss out. And that's it for today, guys. Until next time, I'm out of here. Peace.